Hi, in this video I will show you how to use encrypted password in PHP user registration form, and also how to use MySQL real escape string in SQL query. This is the registration page. Here we have form which contains username password fields. Then when we click on the submit button, this section of code will be executed. MySQL real escape string function escapes special characters in a string for use in an SQL statement. So we will pass the post variables to the MySQL real escape string function like this, and this will help to prevent SQL ingestion. Then we will connect the database using host name, DB username, DB password. Then we will connect to the database and select all rows from login table where user equal to user. If the num rows equal to 0, that means there is no user with the same username. If there is a user, we will show a message that username already exists. Otherwise, we will encrypt the password using the MD5 function in the PHP. We will pass the old password $pass into the function MD5, and in the encrypt password variable we will get a MD5 hash of a string, and we can use this and store this password in the database. We will insert this into the login table, user pass, values, user, and encrypted password. We will store the encrypted password in the database, and we will show a message, account successfully created. And in the login page we have a login form, and we will accept the variables from the form. We will use MySQL real escape string. Then we will convert the password to the encrypted format using the MD5 password. Now we have the encrypted password in this variable, and we will connect to the database and select the database. Then select star from login where user equal to user and password equal to encrypted password. We will use the encrypted password variable to check if the password and username is correct, and if the num rows is not equal to 0, that means there is a user with the username and password, and if so we will start a session and set a session variable user and redirect to member page. Otherwise we will show an error message, invalid username or password. In the member page we will check if the session variable user is set. If it is set, that means a user is logged in. Otherwise you will show a message, please log in first, and a login link is showed here. When we click on the logout link, we will unset the session variable user and destroy all session. Then we will redirect to login page. Here the MD5 password is stored in the database like this in the encrypted format. we will convert the password to the encrypted format and insert it into the database while registering a new user. And in the login form we will convert the user input to the encrypted format, and we will check if the converted format is equal to the password in the table. Here I will create a new user, test user 2, and use the password test password 2. Account created successfully. You can see it here, test user 2, and password is stored as encrypted format. Now I will log into the member area. See, welcome to the member area, and when we click on the logout, the session is destroyed. Thanks for watching this video.